During pretrial testimony of a doctor in a medical malpractice case, why would I ask him to tell me basic definitions of common medical issues and conditions he deals with on a regular basis? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. There are a couple of key reasons why I would do that during his pretrial testimony. Now, you should know that in a medical malpractice case, I will have an opportunity to question the doctor that you have sued, the doctor who you believe violated the basic standards of medical care. And during this pretrial question and answer session known as a deposition, which is done in his attorney's office, now one of the things I'm going to be asking him is, Doctor, explain to me, what is this part of the anatomy? Doctor, explain what is an endometrial biopsy? What is a pap smear? And you might be asking yourself, why would I want the doctor to explain the most basic of basic medical terms? Well, I do it for a couple of reasons. The most important one is I want to know that he's got a basic level of medical knowledge to be able to explain to me what these things are. I have to tell you, in doing this more than 27 years, I've encountered some doctors, not many, but some who cannot explain to me in a coherent fashion what a specific part of the anatomy is, what it means, what a specific procedure is, and then it becomes quite clear that this doctor doesn't even have a basic level of medical understanding and certainly can't communicate that information to anyone asking about it. So at the time of trial, I can now read that answer, that question and that answer to the jury, to show the jury that this doctor clearly doesn't even have a clue about his own particular medical specialty when I ask them something so basic as to explain what is the definition of this particular condition. And in every situation where I have an opportunity to question the doctor in a malpractice case, I will always ask about basic medical definitions. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these cases here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize and acknowledge that you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.